Have you ever come across a cool gadget, crafted specifically to aid individuals with restricted mobility, like the elderly and hospital patients? Ever pondered the possibility of cruising on a bike that morphs into a chair, a table, and even a bed? Will future car drones let you enter like a giant beetle, lifting the whole roof section to get in? Today, we are unveiling the most incredible inventions you never knew existed. So without a further ado, let's jump to the video. TAG has introduced the innovative amphibious gyrocopter, a dual-purpose aircraft capable of both aerial and aquatic maneuvers. This innovative machine is equipped with air-filled water skis for stability when afloat, while retractable landing gear, powered by hydraulic cylinders, allows for smooth takeoffs from land. One key advantage over traditional helicopters is that the TAG Gyrocopter requires only a short runway for land takeoffs. This makes it ideal for situations where a full-sized airstrip isn't readily available. Even compared to seaplanes with bulky water skis, the TAG Gyrocopter boasts a remarkably compact design due to its lack of lengthy wings. Lift comes courtesy of a horizontal propeller, while a rear-mounted vertical propeller provides thrust and propulsion. Seating is arranged in tandem, offering two comfortable spots with individual windshields for both the pilot and passenger. When on water, only the rear propeller kicks in, allowing for easy maneuvering across the surface. Topping it all off, crafted primarily from titanium, the TAG Gyrocopter is both incredibly strong and surprisingly lightweight, making it a marvel of modern aviation engineering. The Cercle Bike is a fascinating concept, designed by German carpenter and industrial designer Bernhard Swoboda. It boasts a design anchored around a prominent central circle in the frame. Within this circle resides a remarkable aluminum module that serves as the heart of its versatility. As the wheels spin and the pedals churn, the module effortlessly synchronizes with the frame, gliding into perfect alignment. But the true magic unfolds when it's time to pause and rejuvenate. With a touch of transformation, the module unfurls gracefully on both sides, offering versatile configurations. Whether it's a cozy chair with a convenient table or a plush lounge chair for unwinding, the possibilities abound. And when night falls, the module effortlessly morphs into a snug bed, ensuring a restful sleep under the stars. In the face of adverse weather, the bike's versatility shines even brighter as a mini tent swiftly emerges, providing shelter and comfort wherever the journey takes you. Having put his creation to the test on a daring 620-mile journey, Swoboda emerged not only pleased, but undoubtedly inspired by the endless possibilities his Cercle Bike offers. Say goodbye to bulky lanterns. The AIRLIGHT Flash by LTA Projects redefines portable lighting. This inflatable marvel shrinks down to the size of a travel bag, fitting effortlessly on a shelf or in your car trunk. To power up the device, just plug it into a wall socket or hook it up to a car battery. But don't let its compact size fool you. In under 30 seconds, it inflates into a powerful 8-foot light tower, which delivers a whopping 18,000 lumens of diffused light, effectively illuminating a 4,000 square foot area. If you're looking for a convenient and effective way to illuminate your next gathering or adventure, the AIRLIGHT Flash is definitely worth considering. Renault developers revealed the groundbreaking concept of the Air 4 quadcopter car, capturing attention with its innovative design and technology. The design draws inspiration from the iconic retro model of the Renault 4L, which graced roads from 1961 to 1992, infusing nostalgia with a modern twist. The vehicle boasts 4 propellers, reminiscent of a drone, generating a formidable total thrust of 3.7 kilonewtons. Powered by a 22 amp-hour battery, its engines promise efficient and sustainable operation. From a technical standpoint, the quadcopter exhibits the capability to ascend to heights of up to 2,300 feet. However, for safety considerations, flight altitude is restricted to a maximum of 50 feet. The majority of its body components are crafted from resilient yet lightweight carbon fiber, ensuring both durability and agility. Innovatively, steel braces replace traditional wheels, acting as sturdy landing supports for the vehicle. The cabin inclines forward, cleverly creating ample space for a single pilot, optimizing comfort and functionality. The concept is poised for extensive development, with future plans envisioning its transformation into a versatile mobile air taxi, catering to urban aerial transit needs. Forget everything you know about electric bikes. Arcimoto just dropped a game changer, a three-wheeled electric beast that ditches the chain for a pedal-powered revolution. Imagine this: you pump the pedals, but instead of a clunky chain, you're generating electricity. That juice flows through wires, straight to the motors in both front wheels for equal power and off-road domination, thanks to a battery and a smart power controller. To keep things light and extend your range to a whopping 200 miles, they've incorporated carbon fiber and discs to keep the whole package sleek. Comfort isn't forgotten either. The rear boasts a plush suspension with a shock absorber for a smooth ride, and a silent block to hush any unwanted noise. 3 wheels guarantee stability and hauling power, with a suspended cargo compartment for your gear, and is equipped with a solitary rear disc brake, enhancing control and safety for the rider. And to top it all off, an onboard computer with micro future drive technology keeps everything in perfect harmony. This mind-blowing installation, created by the artistic tag team of Heiko Hansen and Helen Evans, located in the vibrant British city of Manchester. This stunning installation captivates audiences under the name M-Blem, leaving a lasting impression with its sheer ingenuity. The entirety of this endeavor pays homage to the Liverpool and Manchester Railway, marking a pivotal moment in history as the pioneering railway that solely depended on steam-powered locomotives and boasted the first dual tracks spanning its entirety. Commencing operations in 1830, its remarkable success sparked a widespread railroad frenzy. At the heart of this tribute is its compact and practical design. The vehicle, powered by solar panels, is electric, embodying a sustainable future. Transparent and designed for 2 passengers, it also offers a solo traveler the opportunity to embark on a unique journey. Inside, passengers can immerse themselves in the rich history and promising future of transportation networks, offering a panoramic view of the surroundings and the tracks ahead. Embracing the notion that laziness fuels progress, Japanese company Panasonic has developed a robotic solution for hair washing. This apparatus comprises a chair with a reclining backrest, paired with a computerized sink, offering a sophisticated hair care experience. Employing cutting-edge robotic arm technology, equipped with 24 mechanical fingers, the bot delicately rinses and washes hair, providing a sensation nearly indistinguishable from human touch. Initially, the robot scans the head to ascertain its shape and determine the ideal amount of force required for the task at hand. You also have the option to command it to administer a soothing head massage. The robot stores the personalized data of each user, ensuring a tailored experience with every interaction. This device will prove especially beneficial for assisting the elderly, bedridden individuals, and those with limited mobility in hospitals, rehabilitation centers, or even within the comforts of their own homes. Discover the latest in gadgets by hitting that subscribe button, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing this video with your nearest and dearest. Hit the bell icon to stay in the loop and never miss out on our latest updates. Please watch this next video for more latest gadgets.